Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Geek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a professional CV using EuroPass, and the best part, it's completely free, so grab your computer, open up your browser, and let's get started. The first step is simple. Just head over to your browser, search for EuroPass CV, and click on the Create CV option. If you don't have an account, no worries, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click on Create CV, and we'll start from the top. Mention the language. The date format like the day, month, and year. Mention your personal information, first name, last name, and description of yourself. You can just copy-paste it from your old CV. I already have, so I will just paste it here. Next, your date of birth. Gender. Your nationality. Your contact email address. Phone number, country code. The social media. Like I will select my YouTube here, you can select any social media site. After that, I will mention my WhatsApp messaging, your address, now we will select section. This is the important one. You need to mention your work experiences. I will put my own working experience, for example. Even you can copy-paste from your previous CV and follow the steps. This is the main part where you need to mention what was the activities and responsibilities on that specific work you did. They already have an example, you need to edit it. If you don't want to mention that, then must delete them. After completing your first work experience, you can add more if you have. Now you can add another section. For example, I am selecting digital skill. Now another section. Let's select language skill. First, your mother tongue. For example, I will select Wacky language. Click on the another language means your second language, and you can scale it with 4 options. Like in listing, how much you can listen, speak, write, and read. You can mention those language which you can understand the basic even. Now create new section. Your educational background. Let's start from your current education, for example, master's. From Southeast European University. And mention the website of the university. Next, for graduation degree. The university name and its link. You can mention if you have any diploma, like I did a Chinese language. In this section, let's mention a conference and seminar. If you have any certificate, mention them all. Let's select interpersonal skills. let's select creative work if you have any. I think it's more than enough. The CV is ready, just click the next button. Here, just choose a name for your CV, even you can edit it from it. After this, just click on the download button. This is all done and it has been downloaded free. So if it was useful, just click on the like button and do subscribe the channel.